guys, welcome to another edition of my training. And in this training, I'm going to show you how to develop an advanced investment ranking website, right? So in this investment website that you're going to learn how to design today, it has a lot of features. You're going to see how you can actually develop an investment website with a very beautiful interface both in and out. And this website has a lot of features. For instance, it has email features both for admin and user. Any transaction that is done on the website, admin gets to get the email and admin is notified. The same thing with the user. And this investment website has also a ranking system. As users begin to invest, they begin to get ranked. It has a bonus system. It has an automatic investment system where return of investment drops automatically. It has a whole lot of investment, and as you can see, the mobile version of this website is very beautiful, right? So I'm going to show you how you can develop this website from start to finish, right? How you can develop this from start to finish. So here is the desktop version of the website, right? The desktop version of the website, and as you can see, it's very mobile responsive, it's very sleek, it's very beautiful, right? So this is what we are going to be building in this tutorial today, right? So you can see it's very beautiful. So without much ado, let us just dive into this training. So the first thing you need to do, first and foremost, let's create an account and log into this website and explore how this website works. So if I go to an account right here now, I can just simply create an account and I can say sign up. So I can create an account, I can say so I put my email right here, as well as my country and my password. Confirm my password. So I'm going to create an account right away. Awesome. Can you see that? I just created an account and say congratulations, you got a sign-up bonus of 8 USD. You can actually configure this so that users can see what they got and the amount of bonus that you want to give them immediately they sign up. So I'm just going to click on got it, and this is my account. So you can see my account, right? I say you need to submit your KYC, right? So you can see you want to do that later. You can submit now. So let's just submit now and see what's going to ask us. So KYC verification. I'll click on KYC and I'll click on submit now. So it's asking me for my full name, right? It's asking me for my full name. So let's go back to KYC verification. So let it load. So I'm going to enter my full name. So I'm just going to upload my passport, right? So I'm going to upload my passport right away. So let me just upload it. So I'm going to click on. Awesome. Can you see that? So immediately you click on that, it's going to send a message to the an admin need to approve. I will go into the admin, but before going to the admin, let's just quickly exploit this. So you see, I've got a bonus for this. Can you see that? I've got a bonus for signing up, and if I go to all schema, I'm going to see all the investment plans. So these are the investment plans that I have on the website. So you can set up as many investment plans that you want, right? So the first thing I'm going to do, then let me just click on deposit. So when I click on deposit, I'm going to select crypto payment gateway and how much I'm going to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit $5,000, and I'm going to put my transaction ID. So immediately you send the funds to, you can see, please send the amount of BTC in USD to the wallet address. So this will be the admin wallet address that when you want to deposit, you have to now send these funds to the admin wallet address, right? So this is the admin wallet address, so you have to send the form to. So admin can configure this, which I'm going to show you from in this particular tutorial, right? So let's click on proceed to payment. So you can see that 5,000 deposit pending, right? Can you see that? So you can click on deposit again. So, and if we go to all transactions, you're going to see all the transactions shown there, right? If you go to schema logs, the same thing, you're going to see all your investment that is running, right? So if we go to add money right here again, it's going to take us to the add investment, right? So add deposit, which we just did now, and then add money log. You're going to also see the deposit that you did from the add money log. So if you also go to wallet exchange, it means that you can actually transfer money from your main wallet to your profit wallet, right? We are going to see all of that. So, and also you can also send money, right? So you can also send money. You can send money to users for any other user in the system, right? Then you can also make withdrawal from the system. So this is the withdrawal. Your account is not verified with KYC. So we're going to get to all of that, right? So if you don't verify the account, you will not be able to make withdrawal, right? Once you put that the account must be verified, right, with KYC. So if users do not verify the account, they will not be able to make withdrawal. So this is user settings where users can upload their picture. So let's just see if we got a picture to upload. Let's look for a profile picture that we can actually upload. Okay, so let's put this anonymous guy there. So we can just save changes. Can you see that? So you can also come here, you can also obtain a secret key for 2FA authentication if you like to, but I don't want to do that, right? So, and also a support ticket where you can send support mail to the admin. So let's just log into the admin end and see. So for you to log into the admin end, it's just the link to the website /admin, right? The link to the website /admin. So let me just do that right here /admin. So awesome, I already logged into this admin, right? That's why I'm logging directly. So but if you're going to enter an admin username and password. So let me just enter the admin. Awesome, so let me just enter the admin. So you need to enter the admin details. Let me see. So this should be the correct admin login details. So I'm logging to the admin system right away. So this is the admin system right away, and from the admin you can see the total deposits. You can see how many staff, set of staff, active users, registered users, total withdraw, how much have been withdrawn from the system, total referral, total investment. You can see that total automatic gateway, and you can see all of the information right here. So you can see that this particular user is here and the user is not verified. And if you go to KYC from here, you are still going to see the KYC information. We have the KYC right here. We got the KYC management. So if you go to pending KYC, you're also going to see the KYC of a particular user. So if you click on this right away, and you can actually see what the users submit, and if that's okay by you, you can approve it. So if you approve it, the users will be approved automatically. So let's go back to the dashboard. Also, you're going to see notifications on the dashboard like this from the user. So you see that if you go to deposit request, you will see that the user has already made deposit. Where is the user here? This is the user, right? This is the particular user, and he has already made this deposit, right? This is another user on the system. So you can just click here and see if the deposit that he made was seen. If it was seen by the admin, so all an admin need to do is to approve that deposit system, right? So admin just going to approve that deposit system, right? So when admin approved that, let's just go back to the particular user. So if we refresh this particular user, you see the deposit that we made 5,000. You see the profit, which was the $8 sign up that the user already got. Can you see that? The $8 sign up that the user already got, and user can come here and then click on invest. So the user can invest. So this is a popular plan. It's an advanced plan, so you can set up all of these plans. So but let's just invest on this plan and see. So standard plan, profit holiday, no, enter amount, minimum is 500, maximum is 2,000. So let me just enter 1,900. Take the money from the main wallet, or you can do direct payment gateway. Right, so but let's just take the money from the wallet since we already have money on our wallet. So do that and we can click on invest. Also, going that, so the investment will start counting immediately. Can you see that the investment will start counting immediately? Right, the investment will start counting immediately. And if we go to the account area, we see that the fund has been 1,900 has been debited, right? Has been debited from the account, and we have 3,100 left. Can you see that? 3,100 left, right? So that's what's the account. So let's go back to the admin account again. Let's just click on the dashboard. So you see that that deposit has been approved, and you can see total deposit here has actually increased, total investment has increased, and all of that. So if we go to customers, we'll click on all customers, we can view all of the customers, right? So we can actually go into this customer, so click here and see this customer main wallet, how much he has here, profit wallet, how much he has, account status is active, email verification on verified. So we can just say okay, verified, KYC verified, right? 2FA authenticator. Can you see that? So you can actually see everything about this particular user right here. You can see his name and all of his information where it's coming from, even his password. You can see them here. We can even change that. If we go to investment, you can also see the investment that he has invested from here and here, and we can see that the investment is counting, right? You can see it's counting so many 1 hour, 1 minute, or something like that. Can you see that it's counting? So if we go to earnings, we're also going to see that he has earned $8. So we go to transaction, we're going to see all the transactions that this particular user has done. If we go to his referral tree, if he has referred anybody, we are going to see them on his referral tree. And you see that this is so powerful, right? So powerful. Awesome. So we can see active customers, we can see disabled customers, right? We can see disabled customers notification, and we can send email to everybody on the system, right? Send email to all, and everybody will receive email on the system, right? So this is the KYC management, right? Then this is manage rules, where you can add different stuff. So you see the super admin cannot be edited. You can add manager, you can add editor. So let's say you have this website and you want different people to help you manage the website, right? You can actually get different people to help you manage the website and create an account for them and give them, the access you want them to get, right? You can give them the access you want them to get. So you see them, the access you want them to get. You don't want them to see customers, you don't want them to see this, you don't want them to see that. What you want them to do, you can give them the access. You don't want them to be able to edit the website and all of that. So you can also come here and then you can manage your staffs. So the schema here, you can set schedule here. It's already set for you, but you need to set a schedule how you want the investment to drop. So hour is 1 hour, 24 hours, daily is 24 hours, and weekly is 168 hours, right? So you can now click on manage schema, which is the investment, right? So this is the investment. You can see the investment right here. Can you see that? So this is a standard plan, and the schema badge is popular choice, and the schema type is range. So minimum investment is 500 and maximum is 2,000. So you have to set all of this here. Return of interest is 80%. How many percentage do you want the person to get? You set them there. You see this hourly. How often do you want the interest to start dropping? I want the interest to be dropping every hour. I want the interest to be dropping daily. I want the interest to be dropping weekly. If you really want the interest to be dropping monthly or annually, you can set all of them there, right? Number of periods. It means that how many times will the user get those interest. So it means that the interest will drop 20 times, right? It will drop 20 times. If you pick lifetime, it means that the interest will drop lifetime. Once somebody invests, every hour I continue to be earning from your system. Awesome. So you want him to get capital back? Yes. If you don't want him to get capital back, you say no. Then you tick on this. Cancel schema. Yes. If you want him to be able to cancel investment, so maybe when he has invested and he wants to cancel, you'll be able to make him to cancel. But always set this to know that user will not be able to cancel their investment, right? So let's go back one more step here. So if you want to edit this, you can just click on this button here and edit. But if you want to add your own, all you need to do is just click on this and add your own according to how I've showed you, right? So that's very simple. So if you go to transactions here, you're also going to see all of the transactions carried out on your system, right? So this is well packaged, so you can also see all the transactions carried out on your system. So if I go to investment again, so you're going to see all the investment that is running. Can you see that all of the investment that is running? So you see this particular investment that's completed. You see this one too. It's saying no, we are capital bag because this one does not have capital bag, but the investment has also completed. This one is running, this one is running, this one is running. Can you see that? So if you go to user profit, you're also going to see all of the profits that the users has been given. Can you see that from their bonus? So from the automatic gateway, from here you can set up all your payment method, right? You can set up all your payment method. This is PayPal, so you can click here to PayPal, then you get your client ID, your client security, your app ID. All of this will be provided to you from PayPal. All you need to do is just put them. So if you want to use Stripe, the same thing, you go to Stripe, you put the Stripe key and the Stripe secret there. You click on this. So automatically people can just pay with Stripe, and they will automatically funded into the account without you even doing anything. So you can actually automate the system and let the system run on its own without any form of your intervention. They will automatically make payment, their investment will automatically start counting, their withdrawal will automatically leave your wallet and go to their wallet. So you can use automated system. You can also do all of this manually. So you can see this. So it has over 25 payment systems. So you can see all of that. Yeah. So if you also want to control, maybe you don't have all of these wallets and you want to also manually control the system, right? You also come to deposit and you go to see manual method. So as you can see, I set up a manual method right here. So you can just click on new to add a manual method right here. So let me go back here. Let me show you what I did. So let's edit this manual method. I put up a logo here as a crypto payment, and I select the code for it. The USD. $1 is equal to conversion rate. $1 is equal to $1 USD. Charges, any amount you want to charge them. If you want 1%, 2%, or 0, you put them there. The minimum deposit and the maximum deposit, right? So and I added a feed, so you can add more feed. Look at it. You can add more feed. Any feed you want to add, you can add. You can delete. Can you see that? Then here you can now set up your wallet address. So maybe you want them to pay manually. This is where you will now set up your wallet address. Here they will now see when they want to make deposits and pay into your wallet. I told you when I was trying to make deposits, but I'm going to show you here you can add your wallet. So this is where you can add the wallet, which is the manual deposit. So you can also come to withdraw. The withdrawal also have automatic systems, right? So you can see that I set up buying as an automatic system. So you can come here and set up an automatic system. You can come here which gateway you want them to use to automatically withdraw. So if it's perfect money, you click on perfect money, then click on the currency you want them, then you enter the details right here. So you would have configured perfect money from perfect money and during the deposit method, right? So that the deposit with perfect money, they can also withdraw with perfect money. So you can come here, select any of the method you want them to use. So this is Coinbase. They can use USD, Euro, and pounds, Canadian dollars, BTC, ETH. If I select Binance is strictly crypto. Can you see that? Strictly crypto. So if you select block.io, so these are the crypto that you can. So you can see that this is a very, very powerful system, and you can set up the automatic method, the manual method. You can do the withdrawal schedule here. You see that you want them to withdraw Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So any day you want them to withdraw, you can set it. The day you don't want them to withdraw, you can leave that out. Awesome, right? So you can also go to the user ranking and set up the ranking system. So you see that this is rank level 1. So this is level 1 ranking. You can just go there, set it up. This is level 2 rank. You can see that. You can also set it up. What they will do to qualify to be able to get this rank, how much they would have invested, how many people they would have invited. You can do that, right? Around the system. So you go to system settings. So let's go to site settings. So on the site settings, this is where you can upload your logo. Can you see that? You can upload your logo, like the logo I'm using right here. Can you see that? So I just uploaded this logo that I'm using. So site admin preference admin, site currency, you can leave it as fiat so that people can invest with USD, and you can use any currency of your choice depending on the country you are. Let's say you want to use Naira, you can use Naira, right? You can use Naira if you're in Nigeria, so you can use Naira. This is Nigeria Naira. Can you see that? You can use Naira. Any of the country you are, you can use the currency. So any country you are in the world, you can use that particular currency to run your website, right? So for me, I just use USD, right? So you set all these on currency symbol, you set it, your referral limit, you set it, and your home page, you just leave it at home page, don't change that. So then you enter your site name, you enter your site email, and you enter your support email, right? So then you save that changes. So site fee, right? Send money limit, 10 minimum amount you can send, and maximum is 50, right? So send money charge is 2%. Wallet exchange, so you can actually exchange funds. Can you see that? So your daily limit and all of that. So GDPR settings, I disabled it, but you can see enable it if you like, right? So the site maintenance, so let's say your site is on maintenance mode, you can enable the site maintenance right here. So you do all of these settings from here. Email verification, so you see I disabled email verification, but if you want users to be able to register and an email will be sent to them for them to verify their email, you can do that. KYC verification, I enabled it, you can disable it from here. Can you see that? 2FA, I disabled it. If you enable it here, it will force them to do 2FA certificate registration. Account creation, if you don't want people to be able to create account, you can disable it. You don't want them to deposit, you can disable it. You don't want them to withdraw, so you can disable and withdraw so that people will not be able to withdraw. You can disable send money. You can just disable whatever you want to actually disable from this development mode. You can also disable and enable it right here. So just go ahead and do all of these settings. So please don't worry, I'm going to tell you how you can get access to this script, because at the end of this video I'm going to give you access to this script. I'm going to tell you how you can get access to this script so that you can actually do exactly what I am doing and charge your client between $500 to $1,000 to $2,000 for this particular system. One good thing about this site is that you can also use SMS settings. So it uses the Nesmo and the Twilio. So all you need to do is to get account from those websites and put their API key, activate your SMS. People will start receiving SMS on your website. It works. Right, so let's go to plugin settings and see what we have on the plugin settings. So on the plugin settings, we have Facebook Messenger. You can actually configure the Facebook Messenger, put your Facebook page ID right here. You can also configure the talk right there. So then you go to your page settings right here. So your page breadcrumb, you can just upload any background image of your choice if you like. Manage fees for registration, username, you don't want them to see, you don't want when they are registering that they should put their phone number, right? So you can hide all of this. So referral code, I don't want to see referral code, I just hide that so that you don't need to put referral code. But if you want to show it, you can also show it. And I want them to also enter their username and their phone number. If you want them, you can just enable all of that on this system. So team money. So this site has different teams, right? It has different teams. So when you go to site team, you can see different site team right here. So you can see that you can enable this. Can you see that? You can actually enable this, enable which of the particular team you want to use. It has 3 design of team, right? So you can enable anyone that you want to see. Awesome, right? So if you go to landing page, where you can set up the contents and the images you see on the website, you can just set them up. If you go to schema section, you also see all the contents that you have on the website. You see all of them from here. You can set them up. If you come to pages, you can see all of the pages and all of the content you have on the pages. If you go to footer settings, you're also going to see the footer information right here. So you can set all of this, so you can change the footer information and put your own footer information. right? Complete essentials, company names, hi, so about, so you can say about us. So you just put those information and you can click on save changes. Those changes will be saved for you. So when you come down, you can also put your Facebook link, right? So you can put your Facebook link, whatever your Facebook link is, you can just put them there, your Instagram, your Discord, and you can save all of that right there. So if you come to email template, you're going to see all of the email, right? So you see all of the email. I configured all of the email on this system. So you can come here, remove this logo and put your own logo, right? Then check the text. So if you want to change anything, maybe to your website name, you can change them right here. Go to the virtual asset management collaborate. Can you see that? And you enable that and you save it. Awesome. Can you see that? So support ticket, when they deposit, deposit request, withdrawal request, investment, KYC and all of that. If you go to the next one, you're going to see all of that. So you need to set them up yourself, right? You need to set them up, change the logo and change the name so that your website will look so professional, right? So we already treat this landing page. So site navigation, what you want the site navigations to have, right? Like me, I don't want this site to have blog, so I'm going to delete the blog. So I'll delete the blog from it. So you can see that has been deleted. So any navigation system you don't want on the site, delete them. So if you go to header, so all the navigation system you don't want, you can even rearrange the navigation system. So if you go to footer navigation system, you're going to see all the navigation systems too. The ones you don't want, you can delete them and remove them, right? So I think I've talked about the email templates. The same thing with the SMS template. So you can set up the SMS template if you'll be using SMS. So can you see that these are the SMS that users are going to receive once they sign up, once they invest. This is the SMS they are going to receive. So you need to set all of that up. This is a very powerful system. Very, very powerful. Right? Very powerful system. So invariably that is the most important things you can do from the admin. So let's go back to our account. Let's just refresh our account and see if our investments have dropped. So I know investments have not dropped because it's not up to 1 hour. Well, let me just log into a particular account. So okay, let me go to the mail. So you see thanks for your investment, got a request for deposit, can you see that? So those are the emails that came from the website. So but let me just log into a particular account that I had before. Let's see. So I'm going to go to account and I'm going to log into that account. So let me go to account login. To dashboard. Awesome. So you see automatically log into this particular account, right? So please just make sure that user dashboard and admin is not logged into the same browser, right? So this is my account and I can't actually send money, right? So let's try the send money feature from here. Okay, this is the wallet exchange feature. Can you see that? So I can send money from my main wallet. From main wallet I can send to what? Profit wallet. How much I want to send? 500. Can you see that? And I click on proceed. So can you see that from my main wallet 500 has been sent. So I can also send money from user email, right? So I can send money to this user email. Look at it. I can send money to this user email. Yes, so it is going to bring out the name of that particular user. I can send $2,000 to that user. So I can put a message. So let's say you have a system and there's a referral system on this system and I invited you. So when I invited you and I don't want you to deposit on the system, right? I just want you to send me the money, then I can help you deposit. And I know that I already received some money from the account. So what you need to do is just send me the money and as your upline, I can actually from my account push money to your account. So that is the purpose of this. So if I click on send money, so you see I have insufficient balance. All right, I have insufficient balance. So let me put that again. The amount balance I have 1,208. So let me just send 500. And I have insufficient balance. So I'm going to send 500. So charge is $10. So I'm going to send 500. Sources, can you see that? 500 has been sent and it has been debited from my account. So let's go to my account that and see if the 500 actually came. We have 3-1. Can you see that it has turned to 3-6? Can you see that? It has turned to 3-6. Can you see that? So it means that 500 was transfer money from promise promise to you. Can you see that you receive money from this particular account? So I transfer money from this particular account and it went to this other account. Can you see that? So this is very, very robust. Can you see that? So, and if we go to this email account, let's go to this email account. So can you see that? So thanks for your investment. So you see that you invested this and got a request. Can you see that? Can you see that? So all the emails are actually dropping right here. So the same thing, if I go to the next email, can you see that? Thanks for your investment. Can you see that all of the emails are actually dropping right here? Can you see that? So one more thing I've not discussed here is the email settings. So let's go to the settings and let's go to the email settings. Yes, very important. So this is the email setting. You have to set up the email so that emails can actually drop from your system. So as you can see, you go to enter the website name, and you're going to create an email and put the email right here. So you create another email and you can use the same email. And this email, you put the password right here. Then you put your website link. Now your SMTP port is 465 and your SMTP secure is what? SSL. So you have to create your webmail, configure the webmail inside your website so that emails will actually drop from your website to users' email, right? So you can see that this is a very, very powerful system, right? An admin, gets to see all of these requests from the admin and also from the admin email, right? So for you to develop this kind of system, you need to purchase a domain name and hosting, right? So you can actually purchase a domain name and hosting from Hostingja. Hostingja is a very good domain name and hosting company where their email works. You can also contact us for your email for your domain name and hosting, right? So I can also help you register a domain name and purchase your hosting from you from our internal servers, right? So we can also do that for you. But then you can purchase from Hostingja, purchase from Hostingja, right? So I have a referral link from Hostingja which I'm going to drop under this video, right? If you use my referral link to purchase your domain name and hosting, Hostingja is actually going to give me a little bit of commission for inviting you to their system, right? So once you purchase your domain name and your hosting, the next thing you need to do is to log in to your cPanel, right? To log into your cPanel, they will actually give you a cPanel username and password, right? So this is my cPanel, which is a little bit different from Hostingja, but many other cPanel like Namecheap and all of that, their cPanel looks like this, right? So this is my own particular cPanel, and I want to upload this website, right? Now, so all I need to do is to go to my file manager. So I'm going to go to my file manager. When I go to my file manager, I'm going to click on public_HTML. So for public_HTML is where I can upload all my files to, right? I can upload all my files to this public_HTML, and my files will be seen on the internet, right? My files will be seen on the internet. So, but for this particular tutorial, I already have a lot of websites on my cPanel. So I'm just going to upload it on a subdomain I created right here. So I'm just going to open that subdomain. And I'm going to click on upload. And I'm going to click on select file. So I'm going to browse to the file. This is the file that I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you access to this particular file, right? So I'm going to give you access to this particular file. So I'm going to give you access to this particular file. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can actually get access to this particular file, right? I'm going to tell you how you can get access to this particular file. I'm going to give you access to this particular file. So what you need to do is just follow my footsteps and do exactly what I am doing, right? So I've uploaded the file to my cPanel, right? So this is my cPanel. All you need to do is to extract the file. So I'm going to click on extract files. Awesome, the files will be extracted like this. So let me reload it, and I'm just going to delete it from my server. So I don't want anybody to have access to it, so I'm going to delete it. Then I'm going to open this one up, then click on select, right? So you select all, then you do what? You click on move. So this is move. So make sure you remove this folder that you have here, the files, and move it to your public_HTML or move it to your subdomain. So if I come back here and I come to my web pro, you see all my files are already here. Can you see that? All my files are already here. So if you go to the database here, if you go to the DB, there's a folder called DB. You're going to see the database that you are going to use. Let's create a database right here. So let me show you how to create a database. So just go to database, go to my SQL database wizard, and then I'm going to create this my data readme file. So all you need to do is just create your database. They will give you a database username, they will give you a database password, and they'll give you a database database name, right? So just create your database. When you finish creating your database and everything is set, all you need to do is just go to phpMyAdmin, right? phpMyAdmin, and you need to upload your database file, right? So the database file, like I showed you before, you just upload it. So when you come to, you will see the database that you created here. So for example, this is the database that I created, and it will be empty. All you need to do is just click on import, and you just import your database information right away, right? So when you finish importing your database information, let's go back here. When you finish importing your database information, all you need to do is just come to this .env file, you right click and you click on edit. So when you click on edit, you are going to see the database name, the database username, the database password. Then you're going to see where you're going to put your URL of your website. All you need to do is just do this simple configuration. That's all you just need to do, right? Just do that simple configuration from there and enter all of those information. Just do that, and when you do that, all you need to do is just go ahead and access your website, and your website is boom, is going to get to the internet. So when you want to access your admin, just go to /admin, and you're going to see the admin username and password on the TXT file that I will send to you when I'm sending you this file. And you just upload it and you start configuring your file from everything that I have taught you so far when we started this video. And as you can see, this is a very, very simple task to do. Very simple task to do, right? Very simple task to do. Let's go back to our website. So this is a very simple task to do, and you have your website running and running. And like I said, you can go ahead and charge your client for $500, $300, $1,000 to get this website done for them, right? You can charge them $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 to get this website done for them, and you know, you are good to go, right? You are good to go. You are good to go. All right, guys, so I do not intend to make this video very, very long, so I'm going to cut short the video right here and give you access to this file, right? I'm going to give you access to this file. So if you want to get access to this file, it's just 70,000 naira. You're going to get access to this file. I'm going to send you the database, send you all of the information about this website, and just follow the video, install the website. If you have any issues, you can reach out to me, and rest assured I'm going to help you sort it out. But you should not have any issues doing this at all, right? You should not have any issue doing this at all. So if you are not in Nigeria, you want to purchase this with dollars, it's also 70 USD to get access to this particular script, right? 70 USD to get access to this particular script, and 70,000 naira to get access to this particular script. And please, when you get it, you're going to see my phone number on the description of this video. Just make sure you are shouting me and no other person that you're talking to. There are a lot of people who come to my chat section, come to my YouTube channel and begin to drop their phone numbers and begin to want to impersonate me. Please do not fall for cheap scams like that. All you have to do is just make sure you're chatting me from the number you see on the description of this video. And if you need a website to be done for you, any kind of website probably that you're trying to get, and we don't have any solution yet for it, and you want it to be coded for you from scratch, we are sure in the game, big time. We are the best and biggest in Nigeria and Africa, and we can code this website for you and get it done for you. So guys, I want to really thank you for taking your time to listen to this video. Thank you so much for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up so that anytime I drop videos like this, you get to get the notification first and before any other person get the notification. And use that to encourage me to continue to do videos like this. My videos have empowered so many people all around the world, not just Africa, all around the world: Canada, USA, United Kingdom, Australia, Switzerland, India, Pakistan. My videos have empowered a lot of people. Because of me, people can now, sit down and do sophisticated websites, without any stress that they used to reject. People come to them and tell them, hey, can you do this website for me? And they reject the offer because they cannot do it. But when you come to me, I have solution to every problem that has to do with web programming and web design. Thank you for listening, and God bless you.